3D in-air hand movements are a natural way of providing input in virtual reality and augmented reality applications. For example, in this scenario, a user can write something in the air as input information like a password, an ID, or a short piece of text such as a tweet. In this project, we propose FMKit, an open-source library and open datasets for in-air handwriting analysis. FMKit contains 4 datasets collected from over 200 users using a leap motion controller and a custom-made data glove with inertial measurement units. In total, there are over 100,000 pieces of hand movement signals. An example signal of writing apple is shown here. FMKit also provides an open-source library and open-source tools written in Python to process and visualize in-air handwriting signals. Currently, FMKit can support the following 3 types of tasks: user authentication, user identification, and in-air handwriting word recognition, which correspond to the 3 types of input information in this scenario. We also provide the baseline performances for the 3 tasks. Here, we show a demo system of in-air handwriting word recognition with the FMKit dataset. Thank you for watching.